Okay, so you special hair. It's another hair tutorial. Let's see what we got.
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
They gave me some free stuff and I love them for that. Thank you. I love when people make you feel special. They know what they know. And it's a couple of free goodies. Okay, so let me just, so a cute scarf, head tie, wig cap of course, wig instructions, some lashes. What is this? What is this? What is this? Is this like it's a hat, it's a beanie. Wait, oh, it's a neck, it's a necktie. Look, it's a whatever you want to make it, honestly, because this could be a hat, it could be a necktie, a scarf. You could put it on your head. I'm an African, okay? Let me hurry up and get through this because my battery pack is going. This is a 26-inch 13 by 14 HD lace wig. I did long this time because I was getting really into the short natural hair vibe, but let's be extra. Let's be oh, it feels amazing. This is 180 density. This is what the lace look like. I wish I could just throw it on my head. It looks like it can fit my head, y'all. It looks small. But y'all know I gotta bleach all that stuff. And come on with me to go bleach these knots. I'm bleaching, patting lightly, you guys. If you want a full and detailed one, I'll leave that video right there for you at the top, at the titty top. Okay, yeah. So now I'm plucking. Like I said, this is going to go really, really fast because it's just a demonstration of how I got my hair for Vegas. That is how much I plucked out of the lace front, and that there is how much I got from just, you know, combing the hair, brushing it, and you know, the leftover from detangling. Also, I blow dried this hair, which it does say do not do, but I had to do this to make sure that all the product was actually out because I was really tired that night. And you guys, I could explain this on and on, but whatever. Looking so far, this is where it's coming. That's 26 inches. That's a regular. That's an on point 26, I believe. Yeah, I pulled out my baby hairs and I blow dried the hair just to make sure that I and plucked a little bit just to make sure that the hair was completely clean for flat ironing. So here I attempted to show you that I turned my flat irons all the way to 455, but I did not turn my flare down actually to 455. So here is the Sleek It by L'Oreal heat protectant. I always spray that over all my hairs, even my real hair, and I'm brushing that through to distribute it all the way through. I'm gonna part the thinnest part, and I'm gonna go down the shaft of the hair with the flat iron. So this is what I want to explain to you guys. It looks like I'm going down the hair pretty fast because this video is sped up, but you must go down the hair really, really slowly. I go down it slow so I can only go past it once, which is less heat damage, and also it give it real sleek, baby, bust down middle part. That's what it gives when you go slow down the shaft of the hair instead of just speeding through your hair. So yeah, that's what I do. And later on, y'all gonna see that the flat iron gets turned up because you'll see the shine and the real nice sleekness of the hair. The hair is really quality. Go shop, you guys, and don't forget to thumbs up this video because I'll put you on. All right, love you. Okay, y'all, this little man that keep popping up, that's my little friend, and he gonna say everything that I don't say. Okay, but y'all see how silk it is, nice and wonderful, pretty, everything.
Okay guys, I'm really sorry. I'm recording at a different angle because I'm doing my hair. My room's a hot ass mess. I got glue all over myself. Like, and I forgot to record. Like, sorry about that. I forgot to record. I just wrapped this scarf around my head that they gave me because I can't find my purple one. I didn't want to use that one because I want to use that one as a decorative scarf. But this is how the hair is looking now, and I have to go in and like actually cut it. I don't know, but I know that I'm down all the way. I'm gonna do these some more because I know that when I usually get a frontal, those are the first to go, and that irritates me. But I don't know if I should pluck more or what. But I'm going to just go on and stop talking because what I'm talking about. So.
After I said I was going to stop talking, I still talked. And it reminded me of this girl said on my TikTok that I talk too much. Sorry. And then she said sorry. Like, this passive ass aggression and insults that y'all be doing, it needs to stop. But I laughed at her at first and was like, yeah, I do talk a lot because I know I talk a lot. Hence, that means I don't need nobody to tell me that I talk a lot. Number two, maybe I don't talk a lot. Maybe y'all just don't listen enough. And that's where I'm really starting to understand that maybe you need to listen a little more. You ain't listening enough. Here are just some videos and clips of my hair. The hair was amazing, you guys. It was also inexpensive. The hair is from Amazon, okay? My mom called it Amazon because they are truly amazing in what they do. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe as always, and don't forget to thumbs up.